Jump around her. Make her bounce. Or on her. That's fine.
Not on me. See that? Ow! Ow! No, you do, Bubba. Go to Kelsey. Bounce her.
You bounce her. Let Kelsey bounce you. Curl up. Let her break your egg.
Cut the video.